Hi there, I'm Demitri with the Demitri Team, and you got here. Either you saw an ad, you might have gotten a communication, a voicemail, a text, an email. For some reason, somehow one of our marketing pieces caught your attention about selling your house. Looking at, hey, am I going to sell my house, and can I get a cash offer? You probably thought to yourself, is this a scam? Is this real? Are they just trying to convert me to a listing? The answer to that is no, it's not a scam, it's real. We routinely provide cash offers to buy your house. It will be at market value. Now, I routinely find somebody wants X amount of money. In fact, sometimes I see they had it listed for 190 days, like 6 months. They had it listed for $500,000. It didn't get sold, comes off listing, and when I reach out to them, weeks later, they say, well, I want 650. And I'm shocked at that because I'm like, well, wait a minute. The marketplace told you that your original listing price wasn't valid. Nobody wanted to pay that. And now I'm coming along with a cash offer telling you I'm ready to buy it today at market price, and you want to gouge me. And that's just not going to work. I'm going to give you a fair price. We're going to look at the comps. So whatever it would appraise for, that's the cash offer we're going to give you. So you can expect that it's going to come at what an appraisal is, not a Zestimate, not a Redfin, not a, I don't know where that number is going to be. We're going to take a look at it. And most importantly, we got to visit your house. We got to know whether you're, so I get times people go, well, send me an offer. Well, how can I send you an offer? How about you send me an offer on my house? You haven't seen it. Just pick a number. See if I'll take it. Because I won't. But let's talk about reality. And the fact is, if I'm going to be, the person who is making a cash offer, I got to come see your house. I got to compare what I know is in the market and sold, and what your house is worth in comparison to that. And part of that comes to the fact of this: when I buy your house for cash, I'm not living in it. I'm not even renting it. I'm turning around and reselling it. I'm going to resell it at the exact same price that I bought it from you for, because I'm just trying to get deals done. And by doing that, we get that done. The second option is you might not like, my convenience fee that I charge. I'm going to give you the full price, but yeah, there's a fee that's going to be in there because it's convenient. You didn't have to go through any showings. You didn't have to do any repairs. I'm buying it as is. Boom. You choose the date you want to do. And yes, I do charge a fee for doing that. And if that fee is too stiff for you, then your second option is you could let us list it. We've gone through everything. We realize what we can sell it for. We're going to give you a fair number of what that works. And if that works for you, you have it listed. The other thing that I found is a lot of people don't consider, or they haven't gotten to that point of where they move into. It's like, oh, if I sell my house, then where do I go? And then it's that fear of, well, gosh, it's going to cost me a whole lot of money, so I better get a whole lot of money for this house so that I'm prepared for the next house that I buy. One of the things I would say there is that let's not sell your house. Let's find you a house first. We have several programs where we go out and find you a house first, and these are houses just like I've reached out to you, not on the market. I reached out to you because I have buyers that are looking for houses, as well as, I buy houses cash, but they're not for sale today, and they're not going to be found on MLS or on Realtor.com or on Zillow. So you tell us what you're looking for, where you'd like to live. We will do the marketing. We will find homes that you will get first crack, and we will find you a house. You love the house. We'll put an offer on it. We'll get it all contingent on you being able to sell your house, of course, and we'll have everything in the wings to now come back and sell your house because you've already got the place to go. The other nice thing about that is that there's no fear, because you already know exactly what it's going to cost. So where you thought you had to get, $600,000 more money than what your house was worth because you were afraid of what it was going to cost you to move to the next, you found out, well, really you didn't need six, you needed 540. That actually made everything work. That gave you a little more room to now actually sell your house at a realistic price, not at an overprice that's just not going to happen. So anyway, there are a lot of resources on this website here. If you look, you'll see there's seller resources. Click through there. I talk about pretty much every topic you're ever going to come about or experience in selling your house. And you don't have to work with me. I hope you do. I hope you find that I am as both a good resource, a great person to know, that my team is good to work with, and that we add value to you. But this is really meant to give you information. I find the more information I provide people, the more likely they are going to want to come back to me. They realize I'm a professional. I'm not. I kind of look at it. Realtors are like ambulance chasers, man. They are out here. There's so many of them, and they're just like, well, let me list your house, I'll get it sold. Let me list your house, I'll get it sold. They really have no differentiation value that they provide over one other realtor. I believe that we have a lot of value because we do things that other realtors simply don't do. One of which was that find you a house that's not on the market. That house that you're really looking for at a good price and getting that. Other realtors don't do that. We also routinely market the homes that we list. We are the people that we actually send out the marketing. We actually have a 3,000 plus buyers list. They're not all going to buy today. Some are going to buy today, some are going to buy next month, some are going to buy 3 years from now. They're getting ready, but we've had a conversation. They like what we say, and they say, hey, when you get opportunity, send it to us. If the time works out, we're going to jump on it. So we do that, and your house will be marketed to them. In addition to that, we do a lot of target marketing to demographics outside of Florida because people are moving to Florida. Huge numbers every month. They're moving to Florida. And so we market to those areas, whether it is in California, Texas, Chicago, it's kind of like Midwest, Northeast, a lot of West Coast, and occasionally Arizona and Texas come here as well. We actually have some heat maps that show us where people are moving from, where's the majority of people moving from that are coming here. And we market to those areas and we get the houses sold. It's not a put it on MLS and pray, hope some other agent, some buyer's agent brings us a buyer and gets your house sold. We're actually the ones looking to get your house sold. And we're looking to get it sold quickly. That's one of the reasons we price it correctly. We try to get it sold in less than 30 days. That's really our goal. If we can get it sold less than 2 weeks, then that's even better. All right, well, I hope this was informative. I look forward to having a long relationship with you. Dive into the stuff that I've got. We will send you communications periodically just so that you can, stay in touch and realize what's going on, whether there's, maybe we have a coupon for a great pizza place, or maybe there's a roofing company that has come along and said, hey, we'd like to offer, people that you communicate to an additional discount. So we have, like I said, those type of resources. Have an awesome day. We will talk to you soon.